cannot not annoy people. It's just, if you want to shoot street photography but not annoy people, you're in the wrong game. It's you I want. You get close, hold up. Super, I know I'm ridiculously close.
Yeah, thank
you, my dear. So I'm here with Alex, and pretty much, well, you know, like the last video I did was all in one place. Predominantly, the reason for that was the light, was the backlight, like shooting into the sun. We kind of got the same again here. You I want. You get close, hold up. Beautiful. Can I get close, hold up? Oh, super. I know I'm ridiculously close.
Yeah, thank
you, my dear. Look at this handsome devil. Hello. Alex, want this guy to turn around, he's so handsome. Excuse me. Whee!
You got him?
Yeah, man.
Corner of the eye. Good.
Cannot not annoy people. It's just, if you want to shoot street photography but not annoy people, you're in the wrong game. Well, I was just saying that. Let's get a portrait. Can I get your portrait? Ah, look, he's the. Ah, it's just the light. Hold up, this way. Cheers, man. Thanks a lot. Oh look, that's. Oh, he's getting a smoker shot, man. Cheers, man. Thank you. He'll kill you for a shot.
A lot of smoke, please. Let's do it again.
This is Alex in action.
Okay, lots of smoke.
Cheers, guys. Thank you.
how I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry.
That'll do, won't it? I think we got some good shots. So guys, please subscribe to the channel. It's such a big support for me, it really is. And give this video a thumbs up as well. Maybe turn on that little notifications thing, and then you'll be reminded when I post a video. I think that's it, isn't it? Well, it's 2 videos this week. So, right guys, hold up, and get run over. See you on the next one.
Looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow, but I'm